Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to dress up the engine bay in your BMW? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, let's talk about this really quick and easy project and why this is something you may want to do yourself. So these are really cool replacement bolts that you can use underneath your hood in your engine bay to replace various different bolts around in your engine bay and add style and color. Now in this case you notice blue. So these are going to be going into this fantastic carbon black, which has deep blues in it, BMW X3. And the blue option from Downstar is perfect. In the bright sun, this looks really, really blue. This blue is going to be perfect. And I'm going to walk you through all the bolts that you replace. It's really simple, adds a little bit of flair of customization to your engine bay, and I love the way it looks. Now Downstar has an absolute just rainbow of colors, so you can match your car color, you can complement your car color, there's all kinds of things you can do, but we're gonna go with blue in this case, and let's get started. So pop your hood, grab a wrench, and off we go. All right.